नई दिल्ली प्लास्टिक अब सिर्फ एक पर्यावरणीय चुनौती नहीं, बल्कि आर्थिक और तकनीकी अवसर का माध्यम भी बन चुका है। भारत मंडपम प्रगति मैदान में आयोजित द्वितीय ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी (GCPRS) के उद्घाटन के अवसर पर रसायन एवं पेट्रो रसायन तथा उर्वरक मंत्रालय के संयुक्त सचिव श्री दीपक मिश्रा ने कहा कि प्लास्टिक उद्योग ने EPR एक्सटेंडेड प्रोड्यूसर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जैसे कड़े नियमों को अवसर में बदलकर नई संभावनाओं को जन्म दिया है। जैसे प्लास्टिक हर जगह मौजूद और लगभग अजर अमर है, वैसे ही यह उद्योग भी लचीला और जीवंत है। जो भी चुनौती आती है वह उसे पार कर लेता है। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि भारत में अब पॉलीथिलीन टेरेफ्थेलेट (पीईटी) बोतलों की लगभग 90% रिसाइकलिंग की जा रही है और यह उद्योग की नवाचार क्षमता और तकनीक को अपनाने की तत्परता का प्रमाण है।
And organizing the second global conclave on plastic recycling and sustainability. I think it's a wonderful initiative, and that we are continuing this tradition. It needs appreciation and congratulations on my part. So yeah, this was one. So coming back to this conclave, so I think everyone here would understand plastic very well because it's the industry, it's a plastic industry, so everyone understands plastic very well. So no need to mention, like, it's a versatile material. I think one of the best materials of the this century. That's why it has actually gone across all the sectors. You name the sector, whether it is agriculture, health, any sector, industry, automobile, aviation, every sector is having a very important and significant part which is happening because of plastic. And the new materials, new innovations are also fueling the new innovations in all these sectors, whether it's health, aviation, bringing the new electric vehicles. It's the plastic going all across and helping all the new innovations. But with all these things, we also understand that waste management is a challenge. So when we know it's a very good material, we also know that today we are standing with 4 million tons of annual plastic waste that is generated in India. So if we look at this challenge, this waste management itself is a challenge, and I think no government can do it together. It's the collaboration of the government, industry, and citizens that can only make this waste management happen. And I think GCPRS is one such initiative in that direction, which needs to go ahead and address these challenges. In the plastic waste management, I think the regulation framework is addressing the challenges whenever they are coming up. So we can see the plastic waste management rules starting with 2016. Whenever there is a issue, the challenge is not getting addressed, the amendments are coming. So plastic waste management rules and the EPR framework has given a basic guideline. So with this, if industry works with the government, I think there will not be sooner we will be able to address this plastic waste management challenge also. Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, in its initiative, through CIPIT, there are so many innovative materials, alternative materials that have been developed. So CIPIT also helps in the organizing the seminars for the industries. If there is a challenge with the industry, they need more clarity, they can approach the CIPIT, which can help them. Now, DCPC also has framed plastic waste management centers at 4 places. So, if there is a help required, these centers can be approached also, which will be helping further the industry. So, with this, I think this is a challenge wherein industry support is must. And I think industry has shown their intent time and again by coming up together for such events. And if we see the plastic waste processors number that has increased in last 2 3 years, that tells the story of the industry itself, that they are very seriously taking this challenge. They are not only focusing on the plastic as material, they are also very well aware of their responsibility of their waste also, and that's why the recyclers number and waste processing capacity as well as actual waste processing has also increased number of times in the last few years. But I think we have to continue on this journey, and we have to take a leap wherein we can also substantially and significantly now address this plastic waste challenge. So with this, I hope that we all will come together and contribute in this effort. Thank you. Thank you very much.
First of all, I will congratulate EPMA and CPMA for this initiative. I think these kind of initiatives again reinforce our trust that industry is ready. Industry is cooperating with the government, and they are ready to address the plastic waste problem with the recycling and coming out with the more and more sustainable products. But the problem is huge, and I think it's a significant increase in the efforts that are being put is all the more required now, so that this level of recycling and sustainability can be taken more uh, can take a leap forward, so that the problem is addressed in a shorter duration of time. Thank you.